Hi, we are Team 67 Nano Ninjas.
Today we'll be talking to you about analyzing and visualizing data using SAP Lumira. So to start off, we're going to go to sap.com/try-lumira, and if you don't have an account, you're going to start one by filling in the blanks. And if you already have an account in SAP Lumira, you're going to click Login Now, which is in the blue. So once you've signed up or logged in, it's going to come to this screen asking you which version of SAP Lumira would you like to download. So once you've chosen your version and downloaded, we have the set of data. This is the fire, all the wildfires that happened in the U.S. from 1990 to 2000. So now we're going to launch SAP Lumira. And in the startup page, on the top left-hand corner, it says New Document. So that's where we want to go. And once you click New Document, it's going to ask you what data source would you like to use. So we're going to use a CSV. And so now we're going to browse for our data, and we're going to choose our wildfire data. So now as you can see, this is our data, and we're going to acquire it, which it says at the bottom right-hand corner. So we're going to acquire this data, and this is 678,000 rows of data. So that's a lot, and it's only doing this in a short amount of time. So now this is our data. It's got like all sorts of rows, like the organization, the fire name, all that sort of stuff. So now we're going to go over to state, and we're going to right-click, and it's going to say create a geographic hierarchy. And we're going to do that by inputting the latitude and longitude. So once we've done that, as you can see, it's added country and now state and country both have a globe, which means they are now geographical hierarchies. So on SAP Lumira, we can also have different types of filters. So if using these filters, and you can create different types of charts. Okay, so some examples of the charts are, we've got the column chart, and we've got several different types of these. We've got line charts. There's pie and donut charts. We have geographical maps and charts. We have scattered line plots. And very interesting, the tree map and the tree heat map. And then we've also got some different ones like the radar chart and the waterfall chart. So an example of one of these charts, the tree map, is over here, and you can see a very clear understanding of the data you want to present. So in a different example here, we're drilling down in a certain area to talk more about it. And over here, we're overlapping, and we've got a very interesting key on our sidebar that is very easy to understand. So you can, if you want to learn more about SAP Lumira and how to analyze and visualize data on it, you can go to our site and have a step-to-step tutorial on using SAP Lumira. So SAP Lumira is a great tool that you can use to analyze and visualize your data, and especially for those FLL students, this is a great way to analyze like the wildfires that happen in the US, all that kind of stuff. So using SAP Lumira, you can present this to the judges in a very organized and neat way. So we hope this video was useful for you, and thank you for watching. This is Team 67 Nano Ninja.